Well, in the past few months, tragic stories of how little children have lost their lives by falling into abandoned bore wells have made headlines. Now, according to statistics, 5 children die each day in open bore wells or drains, the maximum deaths reported from Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Rajasthan. How long will it take before the government really wakes up to this action? Through this week, NDTV focuses on the burning issue.
Suraj died after he fell into a bore well. For 3 days, his family prayed, hoping that he would live. Virendra Singh Rathod often goes back to the spot where his 6-year-old son died. The borewell was dug by his neighbor to provide water to his land, with the main source of water, the Dholawad Dam 80 kilometers away, unable to cater to the entire area. It lay open for 6 months before Suraj fell in, and it was 3 days before his body could be brought out. But the borewell remained open till just a few days ago, a grim reminder of the tragedy that had taken place in its depths. This is the 400 feet deep borewell pit in which Suraj had fallen in 2010. And after 56 hours of rescue operation, he could not be saved. This pit may seem shut right now, but it's temporary. What's shocking is that the Ratlam administration has done literally nothing to permanently shut this abandoned pit. मिट्टी कितने दिन पहले भरी हुई है ये?
8 रोज पहले सर।
ये किसने भरा? प्रशासन ने भरा या जिनकी है उन्होंने भरा?
नहीं, वो लालजी पटेल ने भरा सर, जिनका ओल है।
जी जी। इससे लगता है कुछ बचाव हो पाएगा इस
कोई बचाव नहीं होगा सर। पानी गिर जाएगा तो ऑफिस मिट्टी हट जाएगी यहाँ से।
प्रशासन ने सीएम ने जो घोषणा की थी 50,000 रुपए आप लोगों को दिए, उस समय आप लोगों ने उनको बोला कि गड्ढा भी भरवा दीजिए तो और लोगों की जान नहीं जाएगी।
बोला था सर कलेक्टर साहब को मैंने।
क्या बोला उन्होंने?
वो क्या हुआ, करवा देंगे हम। क्यों मिट्टी डलवा दूंगा सर? तो हाँ डलवा देंगे हम।
2 साल हो गए, अभी तक कुछ नहीं हुआ।
नहीं हुआ सर।
But this wasn't an isolated incident. As we traveled some 100 kilometers across Madhya Pradesh's Ratlam district, we spotted close to a dozen borewell pits, all lying open. In some places, the pits have even become a source of entertainment for children, exposing them to the hazard every day. देख के आए 10 से 12 खुले हुए हैं सर, तो कब तक एक्शन देखो कि बारिश आने वाला है, वो समस्या बढ़ेगी, बच्चे वहाँ खेलते हैं, फिर सूरज जैसा कोई और केस ना आ जाए आपके सामने, इसके लिए क्या एक्शन ले रहे हैं अभी फिलहाल?
मैं रतलाम का एसडीएम हूँ और रतलाम एसडीएम के स्तर पर रतलाम तहसील के अंतर्गत जो भी आएंगे उसके बारे में हम सर्वे कराने के हमने निर्देश जारी कर दिए हैं। सचिवों को भी निर्देश दिए हैं, पुनः भी अब जारी करते हैं। मलवासा का आपने जानकारी दी है, इसके लिए आपका बिल्कुल धन्यवाद। मैं हाल ही अभी तत्काल सीओ जनपद को बताऊंगा।
Supreme Court guidelines say that if a well is abandoned, then a certificate from concerned department must be obtained by the agencies stating that the abandoned well is filled to ground level. But in places like this are violated every day. The National Crime Records Bureau's 2011 report says over 1,800 died in such incidents across India, and Madhya Pradesh is among the top 3 states where such accidents take place. Unless promises translate into action and these holes of death are covered, little will change and children like Suraj may be reduced to mere statistics. In Ratlam with camera person Rizwan Khan, Siddharth Ranjan Das for NDTV.
Now let's go across to Avleen, who's in Ghaziabad. Well, Avleen, almost at many of these spots, whether it's Manasar, whether it's Ghaziabad, we've seen these tragic incidents. Are people really actually walking up to their councillors there, to other politicians in the area and asking for swift action? Are politicians also being proactive enough, and are there surveys being conducted to see where these open bore wells are?
You know, Kulsum, in fact, I'm standing right where the 4-year-old boy lost his life a couple of days ago, and I'm going to show you the place right now. You know, that is the drain. This is where the slab, they've just put the slab they've just put the slab right now, but if you can see, there's still a gap where a 3-year-old or a 4-year-old boy can still easily slip through. Now, this is what they've done. This is, this is still remains a death trap, and you can see that this is the callous attitude of the administration here. And yes, I do have with me, in fact, a few citizens who have been fighting against this for quite some time now. In fact, I have with me a resident who says he wrote a letter on the 30th of December last year complaining about these open drains and water hazard they are. आपने कब लेटर लिखी और उनका क्या जवाब था?
ये दिसंबर 11 में लेटर दिया था जी, और उसके बाद कई बार रिमाइंडर भी दिए, लेकिन आज तक उसका कोई वो नहीं समाधान नहीं हुआ।
ये गाजियाबाद में ये एक ही जगह यहाँ पे रहता है कि यहाँ पे और भी जगह है? और भी पूरे एरिया में, आगे भी एरिया में देखिए, पूरे गली में आप देखेंगे कि सब जगह बुरी हालत हो रही है, बहुत नरक हो रही है। आए दिन एक्सीडेंट होते रहते हैं, आए दिन अभी ताजा हुआ बच्चा गिरा, छोटी नन्ही जान में गिरी, और मच्छर गंदगी, उसके हिसाब से बुरी हालत है यहाँ पर। इस बच्चे की जान अभी गई है यहाँ पे, उसके बाद यहाँ पे नगर निगम ने कोई मतलब स्टेप्स उठाए?
कुछ नहीं हुआ, कोई नगर निगम का कोई अधिकारी यहाँ नहीं आया, किसी ने कोई कार्रवाई नहीं करी। इसके अंदर वाटर लाइन जा रही है जिसमें गंदा पानी हमें पीने को मिलता है, उसमें कीड़े मकोड़े दुनिया भर के उसमें वो आते, आए दिन बस्ती होती रहती, शिकायत करते, कोई सुनवाई नहीं होती।
So there you have it, Kulsum. You know, the residents have been fighting. They have been fighting against a very, very indifferent, administration here. But they say they really, I mean, nothing really seems to happen. And we've covered this. And, you know, the media has really brought attention to this death of this 4-year-old boy who died here a few days back. But even that doesn't seem to have woken the authorities here yet. And we really don't know what will. Back to you, Kulsum.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.